The hunt for truth continues. Operatives from the National Bureau of Investigation are currently in a condo building at Bonifacio Global City to inspect a property reportedly owned by resigned Congressman Zaldico. Andrea Salve is on the line for more on this story. Hi, Andrea, go ahead.
Armed with a court-issued order, operatives from the NBI Organized Transnational Crime Division are currently inside a high-end condominium building here at Bonifacio Global City to inspect a 600 square meter property reportedly named under one of former Congressman Zaldico's companies. The NBI clarifies that this is not a search warrant and no items will be seized. Inspection orders are civil or administrative in nature, and today they only aim to scan copies and document relevant files that may be linked to cause bid rigging complaints. For that, the NBI OTCD is also accompanied by representatives from the Philippine Competition Commission as well as their Public Corruption Division. Court reps will also be present during the inspection to ensure that private documents won't be inspected. The NBI earlier mentioned that they are required to contact cause lawyer to witness the inspection. And if the council fails to be here, they will instead request the property's management office to witness the implementation. The agents emphasized that this is to prevent evidence destruction. Earlier, all media personnel were asked to evacuate the area, but we'll try to gather more information on this operation later.
Andrea, tell us more about this property. Ito ba yung building kung saan witnesses said they delivered suitcases containing millions of pesos dito ba sa so-called property supposedly owned by Zaldico?
Ito yung isa sa mga nabanggit ng Senate witness na si Orly Goteza na dating security consultant ni Ko. And sa kanyang sworn statement, ito yung sinabi niya na dito siya nagre-report for duty sa residence ni Ko dito sa building dito sa BGC.
All right, thank you for that report, Andrea Salve.